Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe. Today I'm going to show you how to make money with your links. If you have a Facebook page, Twitter and Instagram, the links that you normally put in your description, in your bio, you can make money with it. Instead of putting your links, your website links, or instead of sharing your website links in all Instagram, Facebook and so on like that, you can use this adf.ly to share the link. What it does is that before they get to their destination of the links that you want to redirect your visitor to, an advert will show for some seconds before they are redirected. And this is a very good way to make money. You can make up to $10 per day with this. So I will show you a trick, a method to earn more than $10 per day. With 1,000 views, you can earn more than $10 per day. So I will show you a way to make more money with this just by sharing your links or by putting your links in your profile. So first thing first, you have to register with my links. You have to register with adf.ly. You register, you fill in your details. I've already registered. So they support what's it called Payoneer and paper for withdrawal method. So when you register, let me walk you through the way. Let me show you how to register. The registration is simple. So when you go to, let me log out. Yes, you can shorten any link. So they have low minimum payout of $5. So you can request for your payment. When it's $5, they will pay through your paper, or when it is $10, they will pay through $10 is the minimum withdrawal for Payoneer. Let's say we want to join. This is join, your name, your username, your email, password, account type. So in your, so you create shorten URL and earn money. That's what you are not an advertiser, and if you want to join an advertiser, that's fine too. So you can do this anywhere in the world. So that's it. Then woman check, you type your password, then you sign up. So that's the way to sign up. So let me log in now. So I've logged into my dashboard. So in your account settings, you fill in your details, your picture, your name. As you can see, you fill in all the details. So, and there is another new way to make money without even shortening link. Now it's called push aid. So they just put that one there, so you mark it. So you can make money through push aid. If you're having a website, you connect it with your website. This is a paper. This is where you will choose your paper. If you are choosing a paper, this is where you choose paper. If you are choosing a Payoneer, that's where you will choose the Payoneer. So you add your email. So that's it. So after that, you just, and there is tools here that you can use. There is withdraw tools forum to ask more questions on how to make money. Tools is where you can just multiple link, easy link, website scripts, domain, pop-up aid, plugin. They have a plugin too that you can integrate with your website. If you are having a website, it will be a bonus for you to earn more links. So all your links inside your website will be redirected. So adf.ly will be the one to capture the link first. We show a small advert for them before they now go to the required links. So that's another way to make money with adf.ly. So let me show you. So I will show you. So you have to watch this video to the end so that I can show you everything step by step process. We have like 8 steps here that you are going to use. Now you have used ADF Nigerian.ly publisher. Make sure you register with my link. That's where you both of us can benefit in the program. So what you need now is to go to your Facebook page and group. I know that most of us have a Facebook page and group, and if you don't have a Facebook page and group, you can just open. But I know that majority of us have a Facebook page. So what you need now to do now is to go to your Facebook page. Let's say this is our Facebook page. So if you are having a website, I will show you a way you are going to do it. If you are having a website, me, I have a groups and a page here. So let's say I go to my page. So I've clicked on my page. I have several pages. I have a website. I have several websites. So let's say I'm going to this one of my popular website here. So I've go to this one of my popular website here. So what you need to do here, is to change your website link. So you go to your Facebook. When you go to your Facebook, you just make sure you change your, what is it called? There is a place where you will add your description and your meta, this thing. So this is the website. So when you go to your website, you add your links. You make sure you edit. When you go to some settings under here, you edit it. You see, this is the settings. This is my website. You just change it to, so what I will need to do now is just to copy this, copy link address, go to this, put it there, then shorten it. Okay, let me just put it directly so that I can shorten it. It seems that Facebook is adding another, what's it called, another tracking tools there. So it has been shortened. Now when you copy this, now let me see how it works. If you can see that adf.ly have different languages. If you are not familiar with English, you can just switch to any languages so that it will work very well for you. You'll be able to understand the website. So it's worldwide. It's what you can do. So let me say I've go to the website now. You will see now. As you can see, it will bring us aid in 3 seconds for you before you are redirected. So the aid will show. This is how you will make money. So each visitor visiting your link, this aid will show for them before they will now skip aid. So when they now skip aid, it will just take you directly to the site. So there are some settings beyond that you can set for this as well. In this, I think I mark what's it called, pop-up. So if you don't want to mark pop-up, you can also do so. There is a settings you have to follow there. So another thing now is that you have to join some, what's it called, some Facebook page and groups about making money. Some Facebook page and group about making money. So you can just join them, like make money online. So when you join the group, you make sure you are not spamming. Please make money online. For example, in my country here, make money online, there are so many group I can join. So when I join the group, 10 posts, this one is 90 member, this is 4 posts per day, this one is active. Make sure you join a group that is having a lot of this is 60k member, 66k member. We can join this one. Join group that is making money online. So you join the group, so that whatever, so some people can just ask in the group. Let's go to the group. What like, okay, some people can just ask, how can I make money online? Is there a way I can make money online easily, and all those stuff. You just answer the question with some details. After some details, you do what you answer it, then you put your link for them to join, that both of you will benefit. They will make money, you too, you will make money. So another way to make money is to just go to other your social network, like Twitter, like twitter.com. Just go to your Twitter. Go to your Twitter. In your description, you change your description, then you put that ADS fly inside. So that's what you can do in Twitter. So you do the same for your Twitter and your Instagram. So you head over to Quora. So in Quora, make sure you are able to answer questions, so that Quora will not block your link. So when you go to Quora, you answer questions related to how to make money in your own country. If you are in America, you search for how to make money in America. If you are in Nigeria, how to make money in Nigeria. If you are in any part of the world, just press it there, how to make money. So you will see a lot of questions you can answer. Make sure you are able to write. You can see some space here: online money making, blogging, affiliate marketing. So those are the places that you can just register and answer their questions that someone is asking about making money. You tell them how to make money online, various ways how to make money online, and include your links. So you can do that one as well. So that's how you will use Quora, and the same thing applicable to Reddit. So what you will now need to do now is that you go to what we call Headline articles. So this is Headline articles. This is where we are going to go to. You go to article directories. That's where you will be able to copy some articles, because you may not have time to write articles from scratch. So when you go to Headline articles, you will go there and find some relevant articles relating to make money online. So when you find some relevant articles related to make money online, you will be able to copy from that article. After copying the article, that's where you will now need the final. This is our final step. That's what we call QuillBot. QuillBot is for rephrasing an article. You make the article unique, paraphrasing the article, so that the article will be unique. There are paid versions, but you can still do some little ones, like maybe 300 words or so. You can upload the docs here, you can paraphrase, so you can paste the text. So you will just go here, go to QuillBot, what's it called, headlinearticles.com. Let's find an article related to make money. So your article must be unique. So that's where you will just copy the articles. So let's say all categories. Okay, they were not able to find. Let me press money. So yes, there are a lot of ways how to save money, how to do this. So these are the ways to save money. Money advice, a lot of articles. You just go Google search about articles directly. That's where you can copy articles. So after that, you can go to medium.com as well and open a small blog about this. Then you can just go to Facebook and open a group about making money as well, and start putting down your links for others. So if you answer a few questions for your people in your forum, when you answer a few questions for them, you can just make sure you were able to answer them and use your link to answer them. So we have Medium, so you can make use of Medium. You can make use of Medium, you can make use of, there are several others, you can make use of Medium. Yes, Medium. So I've mentioned like maybe 7 websites. We have Medium, we have Facebook, we have Twitter, we have Pinterest, we have, yeah, and we have Reddit. So make use of all these 5 or 7 platforms that I've just mentioned. You will be able to make more money. But please don't be spamming, don't put any link inside the comment or so. So you just do an article, write an article about how to make money online. You can just mention how to make money in Nigeria, for instance. You will just mention like maybe 300 to 400 words, or you can write more, up to 1000 words. You list several ways to make money, like blogging, affiliate marketing, YouTubing, a lot of them, like that. You just mention them, and you mention how to make money, like links as well, shortening of link, you mention it there as well. So you now put down your shortening link there that they should be able to register with you. And when people register, and all these platforms will have millions of views per month. Quora, we have another forum, you can search online, you see a lot of forums, like we have a black hat forum as well, but that one is related to technology. You can just mention how to make money related to technology. So those are the ways you can make money, guys. So the link will be in my description below, so you'll be able to register with with my links, so that both of us can make more money. adf.ly. So when you want to join, you will go down. If you want to join, there is a place you are going to join the affiliate. So this is where you will join the affiliate is, okay, yeah, the referral is here. So this is where you will join the referral. When you join the referral, it will ask you for your link. This is my link. So you must make sure that this is there. 1673343 is there. So you'll be able to earn 20% earning for life. So if the person is using the account continuously, as we are using the adf.ly continuously, all of us, everybody will be making money. So let's make this money together, guys. So these are the ways you are going to make in the money. So I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.